This is Dr. Michael Smith with Carolina's Natural Health Center, and we're coming into cold and flu season, and I already see up at the local drugstores the big signs out, come out and get your flu shot. So I thought we'd talk a little bit about the flu shot today. And for most people, I don't recommend the flu shot, and here's why. Some of the ingredients in the flu shot are very concerning to me. One of the ingredients that's in the flu shot is a known immune irritant, which means that it causes an irritation of your own body's immune system. And the idea is that this will help to cause your immune system to hyperreact to the flu virus that you're being inoculated with to help produce more antibodies, which can protect you against the flu. Great idea. But the problem is that when you irritate your body's immune system, it's going to react to lots of other things as well. And what we've seen as a result is people end up with a greater incidence of autoimmune disease where their own immune system has turned and begun to attack their body's own tissue. That's a significant concern for me. And one of the things I think we really need to reevaluate, having that in the flu vaccine. One of the other reasons why I really have a hard time with the flu vaccine is because when you look at the research around the flu vaccine, there actually isn't any solid research that demonstrates that the flu vaccine actually prevents the flu. Really. And I think we all have this assumption, well, it's a vaccine, it's got to work. But, the Cochrane Medical Review, which is one of the most reputable medical institutions in the world that does reviews of medical literature, has done 10 reviews now on the flu vaccine, and not a single one of them has demonstrated that the flu vaccine is actually effective in preventing the flu. And so this has me very concerned that we're doing this under a false premise. And that leads into really the third reason, which is that when people go and get the flu shot, they're operating under the assumption that, they're all protected. Like they have this automatic force field that's put up around that's going to protect them against the flu. And they're not doing all the other things that are so important to help to prevent them against getting the flu, but also help to prevent getting colds, other viruses, other chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, autoimmune diseases, things like that actually improve their health. Where the flu shot doesn't actually improve your health, maybe, we haven't seen this demonstrated yet, it may prevent the flu, but maybe you're also going to end up with some other illness or condition. And that's my greater concern. In order to get the flu, two things need to happen. You need to be exposed to it, which we can't always control, and you need to be susceptible to it. And susceptibility is something we do have our ability to control. And there's three key things that we really need to focus on to help to reduce your susceptibility to the flu and also improve your health. Those are ensuring you're eating a diet that's rich in fruits and vegetables. These things really help to support your body's overall immune system. The second thing is making sure you're taking probiotics. These are good beneficial bacteria that have been well demonstrated in the research to help to prevent colds and flus in people of all ages. And then the third thing is make sure you have enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is not a vitamin, it's a hormone that we get from the sun, but unfortunately we don't get enough sunshine these days anymore because of our lifestyle. And if you don't have enough vitamin D, your body's own immune system cannot function properly. You can actually not mount a response to a virus like the flu. And so ensuring you get enough vitamin D. Those are three key things that you can be doing that will help to prevent yourself from getting the flu, but also will prevent many other illnesses or conditions and actually make you healthier. So keep these things in mind this season as you're entering cold and flu, and make the best choices for yourself and your family. Thanks again. This is Dr. Michael Smith with Carolina's Natural Health Center.